Have you ever heard someone say, "Yeah, right," when pigs fly? What do you think that means? Listen to these examples and try to guess the meaning of "when pigs fly." My brother said he'll clean his room when pigs fly. She promised she'd stop talking about her cat when pigs fly. I'll believe that politician when pigs fly. He said he'd wake up before 6 a.m. on the weekend. Yeah, right. When pigs fly. The kids said they'd stop eating candy when pigs fly. What do you think all these sentences are saying? Let's look at a hint. Imagine pigs with wings soaring through the sky like birds. That's pretty impossible, right? So what do you think "when pigs fly" means? When pigs fly is a funny and sarcastic way to say that something will never happen or is extremely unlikely to happen. It's often used to joke about impossible promises or situations. Which sentence uses "when pigs fly" correctly? A. The pigs flew to the farm. B. We saw pigs flying in the zoo. C. I'll finish my diet when pigs fly. The correct answer is C. I'll finish my diet when pigs fly means I'll never finish it. Here are some similar phrases you can use instead. Not in a million years. That'll be the day. Don't hold your breath. Over my dead body. All of these mean that something is never going to happen or is very unlikely. Now it's your turn. Can you write a funny sentence using "when pigs fly"? Post it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more funny English idioms? Check out our idiom playlist and subscribe for more quick English lessons.